I feel like I'm with friends. It's very warm. I think you care. I feel like you really know more about it than I do, and I have business experience. I've been a manager. I've been a sales, a marketing promote. But I don't feel I know selling art better than you. I feel like I need you, and I'm at the point where I don't want to let you go either. Like I feel like I need to run everything by you, and your system is good. I mean, it's hard, but it's good. I think you have an outstanding staff. I love what you're doing for artists. I have shopped around. I deal with ASF. I'm dealing with Milan, and each of you are all different, but you bring something to the table for an artist that a lot of artists don't get and they don't worry about. And myself is one of them. I don't worry about the business of art. I worry about the art. And it's really been a fantastic experience to have people who worry about the art but understand the business.